actually chat for free on Chai app. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to get unlimited Chai tokens so you can chat for free on Chai app. If it's your first time coming across the channel, please do it to subscribe. So I'm going to be giving you guys 3 tips on how you can actually get free chats. You can be able to chat free on Chai app. The first one is watching ads. Yes, if you watch ads on Chai app, you'll be able to have free tokens so that you can continue chatting as much as you like on Chai app. The second option is you chatting. Make your chat short. Most of you like writing notes in the name of chatting, so you need to make your chat short and brief so that you won't use all your token dots to send a message. The third one here is to go premium. Okay, you need to go premium. I know that I say free, but yes, there's nothing that is free for you here. You need to go premium, or you need to wait till the next time for the time to reset. I know you guys always have 70 up to 70 tokens. Okay, you need to wait for it to reset for you to continue chatting. So that is it for on how you could get unlimited chats and unlimited tokens on Chai app. If I have no FO, because of course, if you're on this video, please do to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.